don't think they haven't got anything.
I think they've hurt each other, but nothing.
Yeah, like a couple of bruises.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Get in there, Stumpy. No, wrong key. Oh, look, he's chasing everyone now. Did you see that? Sorry, I thought you were standing right behind me.
No, what?
He's chasing everyone now.
Who is Stumpface?
Stumpface just had to go at Gorbachev, like went right across here to got Gorbachev, and then got one of the zebras right across the other side, and then went furiously into his cave, and then his lips started quivering.
Yeah. But all those hormones running through him at the moment.
Look, he's coming out. He's all the way out. What's he doing that for? Maybe she hasn't laid the eggs yet. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, look how fat she is. Look how fucking huge.
You haven't laid them yet. The other one disturbs it.